Big up everybody we check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now drop a like and a comment if you agree with the media. We are say Squash give him opportunity. Squash have millions. This is what him say. Why him not have private security? Why him not travel around with illegal firearms? While him in North America with a work permit. You know what people that want a work permit in North America? Let me couldn't hear what the media say. And they will continue reasoning. Look and listen. Like, share, comment and subscribe.
Comment, people. Don't comment and tell me one thing you never lie about. Me not tell lie, bro. You see me? I'm not a liar, bro. Never. If you people say never.
Never.
There's some batty boy when I like me, I comment some fuck.
Bro, if there's something here say what you lie about, I'm gonna tell you say you lie about it, man.
Bro, listen to me, let me share something, family.
Yeah, facts to spread.
Me come here, and me tell you, say, I crush bread them stop when I see them now, them a war, them one of that. The entire infant pan, them one of that now. That I first thing me come and say. Me come and turn say Squash a waste man, and then believe me. Two man have hot song around the road, and you used to bash me and say, a bad man, the artist. Till he come to play. When you see Squash, I eat that for true. You see me? Me come and me tell you, say, yo, a boss said brother make him unalive, Rayman. A Rayman make him and him slap where boss said. Me come and me tell you no. And yeah, he come and come admit it.
Yeah, because Rayman go up and fail attempted robbery and then the man then come back and slap.
You see it, and come and see it. Rayman make boss said dead. He want a brother. Everything me say are true. If they me not have proof on something, me not come contact you people. So once you say me come live and talk about something, me not tell lie, bro. Me know. I now call anybody name. Because if me don't know about you, bro, me now go say nothing about you. Me have to show you something I know, say that's how you go. Before me contact. That's how me can come here and me can turn and say, Roll go got prison. Just look out, Roll go got prison. You see me? And me come here and me tell you, me not tell lie, bro. You see me? I want people there and bad mind, bro, for my career. Bro, not trying to say me a clown out, Squash them, you know, bro, and I take them figure that, you know. Squash them, me do your things, you know. I true them can't do me nothing because me brave and me bad. They can't catch me. Me not give them no chance to catch me. Me roll paranoid and wild. And active. Me ready for it.
Squash on my streets, man.
One of them follow me and trouble Squash and beat me. And see what I'm doing. Squash, not trying to see me a clown him out. But otherwise, find that him a clown, bro. Me I tell you. Them boy they are informer.
Well, where I come from, everybody clown out Squash, so I'm not afraid to tell a man that.
Squash a clown, though. So me I tell you, right now you're under pressure and you have bigger fish to go fry. But then go fry them. They will do me things, you know, because you have some of them who want to hold me. You know.
People, this is South Florida,
watch
Miami.
Come to say Fred man go and place him, Blem Dem and Mobile. Go tell him and him say, waiting in wall me. And me here back, and me say, go on man, little boy. And you have one friend with him, Anix, we parried sharp than them, you see me, we dead.
Yeah.
I came up there and tell Anix, say, yo, wait till the holy boy, because they know me as Dada, you see me? Dada, they know me as. And the dog tell Anix, say, yo, wait till holy boy, Dada. So Fred man tell him, you see me? So me there town with Anix, and me say, Anix call me dog when me there town with, and me say, and the dog say, and me if you tell me dog, say, no, say, boy, them want hold with, don't link with the boy, them, because J-man used to call him and them, and want come a town, call link him and them. You see me? But you me there, him and them then to rate me, you see me?
Yeah.
So me then to push up myself, me used to just hold them and pray money. You see me? But after all, me there told me to make money, you see me? So me did it now, me and share say, but me did it. So when Alex says me and him and him a good friend now, Alex, him and him call Alex and say, yo, who want hold Dada? That's me, which is Blem Dem.
Yeah.
Me I say, so me and him say, so the dog I say, yo, you know, say a Fred man, him and you name Sparrow. Sparrow dead in New York with you. Him and him only man bust out in head. One man lick one in his hand and he fly through in heart and in dead, one shot kill him.
Sparrow?
Yes, Sparrow, he name Sparrow, one black one. If you look on the SSN, say RIP to him. Only pay them a ball to him. But him not too famous, so. But me know them, because me and them grew up.
I name them, but go on.
But enough of them now gonna know him, because you are going them. He didn't get famous. He now no name like Fred man, him. A Fred man, him Squash sing boy every day. So you are going now. Me now make no batty boy rest in peace. Walla black. Me I dig them up. So no, if you not Walla black, go on build a new page, come watch me. Because when they used to dig me up, me didn't say nothing. The amount of time they bring me down. They make
a reason, we are reason.
Yeah, me can't sleep in my bed. So when the dog asks Anix, say, yo, who want all? Ray. Me bumbo clad. Fred man tell him and say, I want all a little boy if you bust out in it. Ray. So I tell him, you know, me I tell about from 2019, 2020, then time, then I call up my name, say, I want all. That's why I say me trouble them so and set them up and talk them business and bring them down. Cause they not like me, bro. They want to do me things to true.
Yeah, cause I them start from
bro,
long
tell
time.
man say me want wall. Cause like Anik said to the dog, say, yo, you know, say a Fred man and Sparrow want wall the dog. Me and the dog not really are nothing. So Anik sell the dog. You see me? R.I.P. Anik, big up yourself. You see me? Yeah, dog. The dog did I seal him. Anik did I seal him. So the dog said to the dog, say, yo, you know, say dog, a Fred man and Sparrow want wall. A friend telling nigga, me did I listen, you know, cause me dey on the phone, you know. When you tap mute man. You see me? Unmute the dog. Yo, informer, unmute. Yeah, dog. Say dog, Bumbuckler tell him man, bro, say them boy they want hold me. Cause me I test enough man in and pray me. That the boy they make him and him to pray me wicked. I have one next little boy where they are England now named Kush God. We squash sing more Kush. The boy see me in I town one day buy food. And got Bumbuckler, Melbourne go tell the people them say me I want youth name wet brother par where they are the enemy. Him and them want hold me now and say, hey, I feel all the boy Blem Dem. Everywhere me go, man, everything going on Melbourne, man, him say me do it. All if one pin drop down there, they don't know me.
Yeah, man, one thing on par with them when you're the enemy.
All if I want pin drop down there, all of me not do it, man, I tell lie for me, say me do. Yeah, say no, say, when me just buy me, he said pro box here, Shelly I talk about, say. A bad, so to say, time come now, a bad man, the girl Shelly bad man if you want to look a pro box. When me I drive. Who remember the video when Shelly I say, go Blem Dem with the old piece of pro box. You remember that video there?
No, everybody
with the old piece of pro box. Who remember that video there, people? When they cuss me. Who remember? They cuss me, boy. Wait, I'm a pro box saying bad man in fact. I remember we are ghetto youth and we know nothing. And it was, I remember ghetto, you know. Remember ghetto people bad man and nothing. So if you throw them bad man and nothing, every little thing them bad mind for. Bro, about 600,000 buy car for. The first money me make out of trading. The first money me make out of trading. Me take it by a pro box. One money me have not to build no one room or nothing. Me take it all that money go buy a pro box. And I drive around on my pro box. With me little Axel card and me feed and I drive up and down. Drive up and down and play a bass song. The Bumbuckler. Shelly no bad mind me. And the wall melt and the wall sauce spring and the squash them and the 6 boy them. All of them want hold me to do me thing. They have to hide. When they say they can't catch me now. A police, me say I come up on my yard. Cause my grandmother build one big house. You know, a family yard, that tenement yard.
Yeah,
so we get free room, so we never have to build no house. Free room, they pan the house already. So me live in my room already, so me never have to build no house. And me have to do a paint out the house, buy 2 sliding window, and tile out the room, and buy 1 bed and 1 dresser, and put my house, my room look good. So me blood clot. Me have to run where I go Kingston. Me can't turn on my bed. Them a text it for me. Me can't go nowhere. I've been in my bed asleep. Before the police are come knock down my door. So. Knock down my door. But if it's true, one thing save me, bro.
Yeah.
Me not want to tell you no, bro, save me, bro. Me not want to tell you, me not going to give you everything. One thing save me, bro. Actually, me smart. Me smart, bro. You see me? Till then when they find out the pro box car, everywhere me drive the car go. One day when police hold me up at top Melbourne. Police let out the whole I tie out of my car. And me have run left the car to blood clot. Then a top take set for me.
Yeah, man, so they posted them kill blocks though in a car, so you have to know that. But
police are wicked. Sometimes I tell you, the police sometime, bro.
Now the truth of the truth. Whole heap of people in North America would want a work permit. Whole heap of people would want the opportunity. The Squash have. I'm not just talk about entertainers. Squash was detained by North America. In North America. As an illegal immigrant. Everybody thinks a Squash will get deported. During that time, as you know, Moby ever keep. And Squash want them prominent name there. From Moby. People are say, yo, they're going to deport Squash now. What going to happen to him? We all assume say Squash left Jamaica for live overseas. Not just for him career, but also for a better life. Some people are say, why on a pursuit for a better life with so much money, notoriety and music? Why is Squash name a call upon violence? Some people are say, people are set up Squash. Calling him for no reason at all, him not the involvement in a certain things. They must say, yeah, him already are friends with the people who he are friends with. And you know the thing, people that talk down pan Jamaicans who make money and then turn them back pan them day one friend them. But some people that also say you can turn a new chapter. And even though you have the same friend them can know say what you know. The thing them know about, me know about that. Remember I'm an artist. Not for film friend them an artist. Them support him in every way where them can, but them not try make music. The same situation. Now will Squash be deported? We don't know. Are these serious charges? Yes, they are. Or is people in the media saying Squash waste him opportunity? You hear them say that. Bunch of people agree, we don't know. So we ask the question. Of course, you must talk to me in the comment section. That's how most people think. Most people are off that view. Most people are saying, oh, Squash could have used the opportunity. He's already a prominent name in a dancehall music. In music collective, the Six is already a prominent. We say whole heap of artists. We have some artists starts at 6 before them even meet Squash. Mali Dan did I say him a part of the Six collective without even ever meeting Squash in real life. And with the work, the association, the talent, Mali Dan is a name in a dancehall music today. It might not be the most streamed, but have a name. All the way in Trinidad, Rebel 6, Cayman 6. Are the same 6, it's not a different 6. And there are no prominent names in a music across the Caribbean and even across the world. Squash Gabi, the music executive record label owner, like what you say. You name the names of the people who own them own record label. And I make millions from music. Already having millions already. I don't see why Squash names still a call for certain things. But we know a bad mind go. Yeah. Squash grow rough. So maybe for some reason him feel like he need to have it on him. And he might travel with it. And people know. And you know, I guess them been a call him name to law enforcement. The whole thing up with J-Man, muscle them. Law enforcement, I forget. Them have a file upon Squash. Even though they get released, the charges they need to have him upon, I think that he does overstay and, you know, in visa. But then I guess paperwork it proves say he need a try to become a North American either citizen or green card holder or permanent resident. And I guess the paperwork it put in. And they were legit and valid, and they made have to release him. And after being released, him arrested again now for more serious charges. Some of them can sentence and then deport him for. But talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, just pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours is of course for to live, for to love, and also for to prosper. And remember, like, share, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe.